Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe. I am your English teacher. Today I am going to explain you a new chapter our tree. But before that, I have to give you some instruction. Listen to the explanation and read the chapter from the textbook. Once a little bird was flying in the sky. He saw ripe berries on the tree. He came down and ate those berries. After that, he flew high up in the sky with the berries in the beak. One little seed fell down on the ground from that berries. After that, the sky was surrounded with clouds. The rain came. Seeing that rain, children were very happy. They danced in the rain and have done a lot of fun in that rain. The seed, the little seed, got a water from that rain. After that, the seed also caught the heat from the sun. Then a new little plant was born from that little seed with the help of water, that is rainwater, and with the help of the heat that it gained from the sun. And then the little plant grew up and became a tree with a strong branches. There the crow and all the birds have fun on that tree. The little ants crawl on that tree. There were spider web also on that tree. The tiny caterpillars with their tiny legs also crawl on the tree. The tree was, there was a plenty of leaf on that tree. There were many fruits on that tree. Some were small and some were big. The monkeys, the crow and the squirrel, all the birds were enjoying on that tree. The monkey jumped from one branch to another branch. The kids also are also having fun on that tree. See, they are swimming on from the branch. They made the swing and enjoying that. In this way, all one children, the birds have a fun on that tree. How the tree grew? First, it is a seed. Then after the seed gets water from the rain and it also gets heat from the sun. And with that, this help, the plant is born from a seed and it grows and grows and become a huge tree with many branches on it. Hope you have understood this chapter. Write the exercise given in PDF and after completing it, mail it on given mail ID.